How to block someone on Gumtree. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can block someone on Gumtree. If you have someone that you do not want to speak to anymore and you want to block them without them knowing, just follow my processes in this tutorial. And the first thing to do is to log in into your Gumtree account. Once you're logged into your Gumtree account, like I have done here, by the top right corner of the screen, next to the search bar, you'll see some icons, the cell icon, the messages icon, and then the menu icon. For you to be able to block someone, you can do it through two ways, either by clicking directly on the inbox icon here, or by clicking on the menu icon. They will all land at the same place. So in this tutorial, we'll just go direct to the messages icon. So just click on it. Just click on the messages icon. Now, once you click on the messages icon, you'll be taken to your inbox. Currently, I do not have any conversation here. I do not have anybody I have spoken to. So that is why my inbox is empty. But for you, just click on this conversation of the person you would like to block. All right. Once you click on the conversation, if you are using a PC like I am using here, click on more option in the bottom right corner of the conversation. Once you click on the conversation, you click on more option in the bottom right corner of the conversation. But if you are using an app, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the conversation. Then once you click on it, you'll see the option block. Click on block. Then a pop-up option will appear asking you to confirm the action. Then click on block. Once you click on block, the person will be blocked automatically and Gumtree will not notify them that they have been blocked. So they will not be offended at you for doing that. So this is how to block someone on Gumtree. Thanks for watching.